We are basically inside the supercell. Even though we're technically not under a severe thunderstorm warning, maybe that isn't a supercell, I don't know. And these wind gusts, these are quite strong. Like, these actually might be exceeding severe limits, so they might have to issue a severe thunderstorm warning now. No, this may not be a supercell, actually. Let me look at the velocity. It's a lot of wind. Oh god, it's getting wet over here. These wind gusts, I feel like some might be exceeding 60. Oh god. Something bad is happening. I think these are downbursts. That's the thing. Like, this might actually be severe criteria. And I was inside eating dinner this whole time. I don't know if I missed anything crazy or not. The modulator siren was going off. Oh god, what's happening now? Is this a big downburst or is this is it a downburst or a downpour? It's probably both. This actually, like, this should have been severe warning. They should have canceled the warning.